Welcome back to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for classic and modern car reviews. Today, we take a trip back to the golden age of American automobiles and explore one of the most iconic cars ever built, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Introduced as a direct competitor to the Chevrolet Corvette, the Thunderbird, often called the T-Bird, was Ford's answer to the growing demand for personal luxury cars. Unlike the Corvette, which was marketed as a sports car, the Thunderbird was designed as a stylish, powerful, and comfortable cruiser. The 1955 model was the first generation of this legendary vehicle, and it quickly became a symbol of sophistication and performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Thunderbird packed a 4.8-liter 292 cubic inches Y-block V8 engine, producing 193 horsepower when paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and 198 horsepower with the optional Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. This powerful engine allowed the Thunderbird to achieve a top speed of around 110 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 9.5 seconds, making it one of the most exciting cars of its time. The T-Bird featured a front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, ensuring a balanced driving experience. The exterior design of the 1955 Ford Thunderbird was a masterpiece of 1950s automotive styling. It featured a sleek, low-slung body with smooth curves, a bold front grille, and signature hood scoop. The two-seat convertible design was complemented by a removable fiberglass hardtop, giving owners the flexibility to enjoy open-air cruising or a more enclosed ride. The chrome accents, rear fender skirts, and round tail lights added to its classic appeal, making it a head-turner wherever it went. The Thunderbird's 102-inch wheelbase and 185.2-inch overall length gave it a compact yet elegant stance, emphasizing its sporty yet luxurious nature. Inside, the 1955 Thunderbird offered a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and advanced features for its time. The dashboard was beautifully designed with a full set of gauges, including a speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, and an analog clock. The steering wheel was large and stylish, featuring the Thunderbird emblem at its center. The seats were upholstered in high-quality vinyl, available in multiple colors to match the car's exterior. The cabin was designed for comfort, featuring roll-up windows, an optional radio, and even a heater for added convenience. While it was built for 2 passengers, the interior provided ample space and a luxurious feel that set it apart from traditional sports cars. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird was not just about looks and performance, it also introduced several innovations. One of its standout features was the telescoping steering column, which allowed drivers to adjust the wheel for a perfect driving position. The car also had power-assisted brakes and power steering as optional upgrades, enhancing the driving experience. Additionally, the removable hardtop was an industry first for personal luxury cars, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Ford initially expected the Thunderbird to be a niche product, but its popularity exceeded expectations. In its first year, Ford sold over 16,000 units, proving that there was a strong market for stylish, performance-oriented luxury cars. The success of the first-generation Thunderbird led to its evolution into a larger, 4-seat model in 1958, but the 1955 model remains one of the most cherished classic cars of all time. Today, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird is a highly sought-after collector's item, with well-preserved examples fetching high prices at auctions. Its timeless design, powerful V8 engine, and historical significance make it a must-have for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you're a fan of vintage automobiles or just appreciate automotive history, the 1955 Thunderbird is a car that will always be remembered as an icon of American luxury and style. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more classic car reviews.